Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous videos, we have already discussed about Python variables. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python identifiers. Variables are examples of identifiers. An identifier is used to identify the literals used in the Python program. Some important rules of the identifiers are: the first character of the variable or identifier must be an alphabet or an underscore. All the characters except the first character may be an uppercase alphabets or lowercase alphabets, underscore or digits. Identifier name must not contain any white space or special characters. Identifiers are always start with alphabet, uppercase alphabet or lowercase alphabet or underscore. Identifier name must not start with any white space or special characters. Identifier name must not be similar to any keyword. Identifier names are case sensitive. Suppose, for example, some of the examples of the Python identifiers I will explain in Python IDLE. Open IDLE integrated development environment setup. So what are the valid identifiers? Identifiers are always start with uppercase or lowercase alphabets or underscore. Suppose, for example, my name is equal to 5, and this is the variable name. This is the valid identifier. So my name is equal to 5. This 5 is stored in my name variable, and take the another variable. Identifiers are case sensitive, and capital M my name is equal to 6. The 6 value stored in this variable. So using print function, print of this variable, print of this variable. So the value 5 will be displayed on the Python console. Print of this second variable. This 6 value will be 6 value is stored in this variable. Okay, so Python identifiers are case sensitive. Case sensitive. And these two are the valid identifiers. Valid identifiers. So identifiers are always start with uppercase alphabets or lowercase alphabets and underscore. And one more example, variable underscore 1 is equal to 10. This is the valid identifier. This 10 value is stored in variable underscore 1. So variable 10, this is also valid identifier. So use variable underscore 1. So 10 value is stored in variable underscore 1, and it is displayed on the Python console. So variable 10, press the enter key. So this 12 value stored in variable 10, and it is displayed on the Python console. So using the print statement or simply type that variable, that value will be displayed on the Python console. So these two are the valid identifiers. So identifiers must not start with white space or any special characters. White space or any special character. Suppose for example, a at the rate. At the rate is a special symbol. So a at the rate is equal to 12. So it displays syntax error. So at the rate at the rate variable is equal to 12. Identifiers must not contain white space or any special characters. It displays syntax errors. And another important point is keywords cannot be used as a identifiers. And what are the keywords in Python? So import keyword keyword.kw list. The list of keywords will be displayed on the Python console. In Python 3.8.2 version, 35 keywords are available. These are the Python keywords. These Python keywords don't use it as a variable name or identifier name. Suppose for example, this global is a keyword. Global is equal to 20. Press the enter key. It displays syntax error. See, keywords don't use it as a identifier name. So this is the concept of Python identifiers.